Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix the Netflix payment error issue. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Netflix app. Once Netflix opens, select your profile so your account loads completely. Now tap on the My Netflix option at the bottom right side of the screen. Here you will find your profile settings, subscription details, and account options. So carefully open this section to continue. Next, tap on your profile name or the menu option near the top of the screen. After that, select the account option. This will open your Netflix account settings where payment information is managed. Now, you may see an option that says Go to Netflix.com or Continue. Tap on it so Netflix opens the full account management page in your browser. This version gives you more control over billing and payment settings. After that, enter your Netflix email address carefully and tap Continue. Netflix may send a verification code to your email for security purposes. Open your email inbox, copy the code, and enter it on the screen. Once your account dashboard opens, find and tap on Manage Payment Method. Here you will see the card or payment option connected to your Netflix subscription. Incorrect or expired payment details are one of the main reasons behind payment errors. Now tap on the Update option next to your payment method. Carefully check your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing information. Even a small mistake can stop Netflix payments from working properly. After entering the correct details, scroll down and tap on Save. This will refresh your payment method and update your billing information. In many cases, the payment issue gets fixed immediately after saving the updated details. If the payment issue still continues, restart your phone once. You can also open the App Store or Play Store and update Netflix to the latest version. Sometimes, outdated apps or temporary glitches can also cause billing problems. And that's how you can fix the Netflix payment error step by step. Usually, updating your payment method and checking your card details solves the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.